Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my daily life story. Today, I want to share my morning routine. I am a middle-class housewife. Please listen calmly and feel the story. Every morning, I wake up before the sun rises. The house is silent. There is no noise. Everyone is still sleeping. I wash my face with cold water. I tie my hair quickly. I stand in front of God and say a short prayer. I thank God for my family and for another day. Then I enter the kitchen. I turn on the gas stove. The blue flame reminds me that a new day has started. I make tea first. Tea is very important in my house. While the tea is boiling, I start my work. I sweep the floor slowly. I clean the kitchen slab. I wash the utensils left from last night. My hands keep working, but my mind thinks about my family. I plan the lunch. I check the vegetables. Simple food, but made with care. Soon my husband wakes up. I serve him hot tea. I do not say much. A small smile is enough. After that, I wake up my children. Get up, I say softly. I help them get ready. Uniforms, socks, shoes, and school bags. I pack their lunch boxes. I check their water bottles. I remind them to study well and behave nicely. When everyone leaves the house, the noise slowly disappears. The door closes, the house becomes quiet again. For a moment, I sit down. I drink my tea, which is now cold. My back hurts a little. My feet feel tired, but my heart feels full. My morning is busy. There is no rest, but I never complain. This is my life. This is my routine. I am a housewife. I am the strength of my family. Thank you for listening. If you liked this story, listen again and practice slowly. See you in the next story.